Now if you own a HP Deskjet printer and your prints come out faded, printing in green rather than black and white, just not giving you a perfect print, then check your ink levels. Basically I thought I can get a few more pages out of my printer while the ink level is on its last bar. So I installed 2 new ink cartridges. This pack costs around £13 on eBay. Before installing the new ones I did carry out a maintenance, which helps cleanse the printer and the heads, but that did not solve the issue. So the only way was to add new ink cartridges, which worked. So if you come across this issue and your ink is low, just install the new ones, as it's not one of those toner printers that you can shake and get more out of it. Take care, peace.